what's up everybody? It's Stacey Storino. Welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for entrepreneur moms with a digital presence. Now, maybe you've been listening to every video in my series, or otherwise you've been convinced that your business should have a presence on TikTok. Maybe you opened up an account and claimed your account name or handle. Maybe you did, maybe you didn't. And maybe you put up a TikTok video or two or you didn't. And now you're stuck. You're on the struggle bus. You just feel weird. And yet you know that where we all are with TikTok right now is really a golden opportunity. But all the same, you're just scared that you're going to waste the golden opportunity. Or maybe you're concerned that marketing on TikTok really is just somehow not an opportunity for you. But what if it is? You don't know, you're scared, and you don't know how to launch properly on TikTok either. Well, mama, it's all good because today's video is all about, conceptually, should an entrepreneur mom begin on TikTok? And if the answer is yes, then how to best begin, right? So be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get real-world help that entrepreneur moms like you need to succeed when you're doing business online today. Now, if you're already on TikTok, but you want to take things to the next level over the course of the next 7 days, I just did a video called How to Grow Your TikTok This Week. So that should come in handy, even if you haven't launched yet, but maybe after you listen to this video, you do launch, you do go for it. That video will be a big help to you. So if you missed that video, be sure to check it out. But here in this video, we're talking about should an entrepreneur mom begin on TikTok? The answer, in my opinion, is most definitely yes. And I've done other videos in this series that breaks down my entrepreneur mom marketing strategy. And that video in particular is a longer video that's absolutely packed with value. And I'm going to reference things that I discussed there here. But you really do need to watch that video also because it's a very deep dive on the things that I'm referencing here, okay? I don't want you to miss any of the gold nuggets that you need to mine in order to take advantage of this once-in-a-lifetime golden window of opportunity that marketing properly on TikTok represents for all entrepreneurs right now. In the meantime, should an entrepreneur mom begin on TikTok? Well, consider the following, and then we'll get to some launch tips too. The organic reach is incredible. People of all ages are on TikTok today. It's not just for kids, but people of all ages, and will continue to be so for the foreseeable future, as it only recently became the most downloaded app in the App Store. Recently, but adults with disposable income, likely members of your niche, are there and spending up to 53 minutes on the app a day. So you have to make sure that you're there too. 9-figure success Gary Vaynerchuk said that you have to be where the attention is in order to market effectively. So TikTok is where the attention is right now, mama. You've got to go there and get and keep today's consumers' attention. Next, protect your brand integrity. An entrepreneur mom should be on TikTok to protect her personal and professional brand integrity. So claim that TikTok account name or handle, that's the name of your business, and I'd also claim any variants of it as well, plus your own personal name if that's not already in the mix, and lock it all down in order to protect your brand integrity. So no one else can claim it and dilute it, or worse yet, destroy it. You can do this task today perhaps, but wait too long to accomplish this, and you might not be able to do it tomorrow. That's how many people are getting on the app and using it right now. So claim those account names or handles. It's free after all, and only takes minutes to do. Optimize your bio. So in the Entrepreneur Mom TikTok marketing strategy video on my YouTube channel, I do break this down a lot. So here I'll just say that while optimizing the bio is definitely the next step in the process, you want to make sure you do it properly so that you get more business conversions on TikTok from the get-go. The right profile icon or picture, the right bio in terms of the text and what order you put things in, what you do or don't do, that's all way too critical to mess up. Definitely follow the instructions I give you in my Entrepreneur Mom TikTok marketing strategy video, and it's going to be hard to go wrong in terms of your bio on TikTok. Be sure to go pro. Make sure that you're not keeping your TikTok account that you're using for business in its default mode or setting. Change it to a pro account right away in order to score all of the features that are available even now to those who are pro or on TikTok to do business one way or another. It's free to do this too, so why not? You want to go pro because that's how you get access to the analytics such as audience insights. So all you need to do is go into your account settings, select manage my settings, select upgrade account, and then you'll pick upgrade to pro account. That's it. It's easy and it doesn't cost you anything but a few minutes of your time, and not even very many minutes at that. Later on in the series, I'll cover how to look up your analytics and what to do with them and all of that stuff. But for now, just know that your analytics can currently be found once you do go pro by going into your privacy settings option. For now, it's all about relationship marketing. So mama, sure, you're getting onto TikTok to spread awareness of your brand and your overall business. And you're doing the digital land grab in terms of scooping up account names and such. But after you've done all of the basic housekeeping that I've discussed in this video, what's the next step? The way everything is on TikTok currently, what you're doing is relationship marketing from here on out, not straight up sales marketing. You're building awareness and then immediately building relationships up with those who encounter your content on TikTok. If you carefully optimize your TikTok content with the proper hashtags and the content itself is serving up the value that members of your niche or your ideal customers looking for on TikTok or really anywhere else, well then why shouldn't you have to work too hard to get a following that grows steadily over time on TikTok. The more value you provide members of your niche with who have found you on TikTok, the more KLT factor you have with them. Know, like, and trust factor, that is. The higher your KLT, the better your sales will be. So you're serving up value in terms of quick tidbit-sized content that entertains, educates, and inspires them in the unique way in which they tend to want to be consuming content, just with a TikTok-esque kind of twist. Launch properly on TikTok. Now, I don't say anything I'm about to say lightly. I know you're a crazy, busy entrepreneur mom and all. I am one too, and my husband works a million hours, and I don't have a ton of help usually with all the house, spouse, kid, worship, pets, plants of life, and then, oh wow, here comes my business too. However, all of that said, if you're going to launch on TikTok or really anywhere else, that's great, but use common sense. You want to batch create, batch record a good amount of content to release on the platform so that you look as though you're not an account that has digital tumbleweeds rolling through it. No one wants to follow an account that has nothing on it. So even though other than on launch day, I wouldn't recommend automatically out of hand that you do this, on launch day itself, at least you should be posting 10 times that first day, giving your content 30 minutes to an hour between each post being published to allow that post itself to breathe like it's a freaking glass of wine you just poured. No back-to-back posting ever. It's not a good idea on TikTok or really on any other social media platform. You do want to time-lapse things out in terms of your publication schedule. At least after launch day, you'll have an account that is already decently stocked to impress new company after it drops by to visit you on TikTok. Whatever conversions you have on launch day in terms of followers, views, and engagement is one thing. But from here on out, posting 3 times a day, once maybe around every mealtime, if that works for you as like a reminder, well, whatever conversions you get post launch day, I'd argue would be higher. Because if someone likes you enough to follow you, they're going to head on over to your profile in order to see what else you have to offer them to consume and enjoy. Do not disappoint them with nothing or almost nothing being there. Think of how weird you'd feel if you came across someone on any social media platform and went to their account and new account or relatively new account or not, all you found once you got to that account was nothing much. It was just pretty empty. Wah, wah, disappointing, right? So try to think about the TikTok audience you're trying to get. Stand in their shoes. You can't have a naked profile feed. It doesn't convert well, nor should it. So maybe as an entrepreneur mom, you just plan out those first 10 TikTok videos for launch day, and then on a Friday afternoon or evening or over the weekend, you shoot your material for the 10 videos on launch day, and then have a plan for the next 18 videos to take you through the rest of launch week. 3 a day for the remaining 6 days that first week, and you'll be good to go. Batch record these 15 to 60-second videos. Maybe you've got a Google Sheet or some sort of table or spreadsheet to help you plan it all out. Keep it all sorted out and just publish your content day by day so that it's spread out. Once you're down to 3 times a day for the remaining 6 days of launch week for your TikTok account. You do it around every mealtime. It's easy to remember. The content on your profile isn't sparse and off-putting to new visitors to your profile feed, and voila! You're doing better than if you were to publish on TikTok once a week. That doesn't work so well. Or once a day. Ditto. I know this sounds like a lot of work, but trust me on this. The organic reach you get will help you to grow your account and your brand awareness, and over time your business in a huge way, given the fact that this is the golden era of algorithmic reach on the TikTok platform. It's a lot of work and a crazy busy entrepreneur mom for you to do it, but it's worthwhile work. I all but guarantee it. Now make sure you hit that notification bell, because in the next part of this TikTok series, I'll get into the actual act of launching and finally taking yourself into taking the leap, if that's been a struggle for you, in my next video, The Wrong Way to Launch on TikTok. I'll discuss what happened when I launched my Stacey Storino TikTok account on launch day and give you some insights that'll help you when it's your turn. Have you launched already? Okay, I'll give you helpful tips in that next video that will help you with relaunch day, so you don't want to miss that video. Again, make sure you hit that notification bell and select all so that you can follow along with this entire TikTok series that I've got to offer you. In the meantime, while you're waiting for that video, be sure to check out these 2 awesome videos as well. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. It really helps me a lot when you do that. And of course, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.